Knock sensor going bad? Here are 4 signs knock sensor is going bad. A knock sensor is an important component of a vehicle's engine management system. Its purpose is to detect and report any engine knock or detonation that occurs during operation. Knock or detonation is the uncontrolled explosion of fuel in the engine cylinder, which can cause significant damage to the engine. The knock sensor is typically located on the engine block or cylinder head and is connected to the vehicle's electronic control module, ECM. It works by detecting the vibration patterns produced by engine knock and converting them into electrical signals, which are then sent to the ECM. The ECM uses this information to adjust the ignition timing and fuel delivery to prevent further engine knock. Signs that a knock sensor is going bad can include engine performance issues. A faulty knock sensor may cause the engine to run poorly or stall, especially at low speeds or under heavy loads. Check engine light. A malfunctioning knock sensor can trigger the check engine light on the dashboard. Reduced fuel economy. If the ECM is constantly adjusting the fuel delivery to compensate for engine knock, it can result in reduced fuel economy. Ignition timing problems. A bad knock sensor can cause the ECM to adjust the ignition timing incorrectly, which can lead to engine damage over time. If you suspect that your vehicle's knock sensor is malfunctioning, it's important to have it diagnosed and repaired as soon as possible. Ignoring the problem can lead to more serious engine damage and costly repairs down the road. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.